Unpacking the Meaning. Pack it in, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to place for polishing your English language skills. Today, we've got an interesting phrase that might have caught your ear. Pack it in. You might be thinking of packing bags, but in English idioms, it's not that simple. So, let's dive in and unravel the true meaning behind this expression. Firstly, pack it in is an idiomatic expression that has little to do with physically packing objects. Instead, it's used to tell someone to stop doing something that is annoying or to give up on a futile task. It's similar to saying, quit it, or enough already. This phrase can be both playful and serious, depending on the context and tone of voice. The phrase, pack it in, is believed to come from the early 20th century with a slightly different meaning. It originally meant to end an activity or close a business for the day or forever. Over time, it evolved to take on a broader meaning, advising someone to stop an action completely. To help you understand how to use pack it in, let's look at some examples. In frustration, if you don't pack it in with those drums, I'm going to lose my mind. In defeat, we've been trying to fix this car all day. Let's pack it in and call a mechanic. In exasperation, all the kids are doing is arguing over the game. It might be time to tell them to pack it in. Noticing the context is key to understanding whether it's used in a light-hearted way or out of irritation. Now, let's compare pack it in with other phrases that have a similar meaning. Cut it out, often more playful or less serious. Knock it off can be either casual or serious, implying annoyance. Give it a rest suggests taking a break from a repeated action or topic. Each phrase has a slightly different nuance, but they all communicate the idea of stopping an activity or behavior. There you have it, folks. You've just learned all about the phrase, pack it in, its meaning, origins, and use in everyday conversation. Next time you hear someone say it, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language tips. Keep practicing, and you'll pack your brain with knowledge in no time. See you in the next video.